welcome back to my channel Smart Living. In today's video I will tell you about marine insurance. I will try to make you understand marine insurance in this short video. So let's start it. So the question is that what is marine insurance? Well, marine insurance refers to a contract of indemnity. It is an assurance that the goods dispatched from the country of origin to the land of destination are insured. Well, marine insurance covers the loss or damage of ships, cargoes, terminals, and includes any other means of transport by which goods are transferred, acquired, or held between the points of origin and the final destination. The term originated when parties began to ship goods via sea. Despite what the name implies, marine insurance applies to all modes of transportation of goods. For insurance, when goods are shipped by air, the insurance is known as the contract of marine cargo insurance. Well, now I will tell you the importance of marine insurance. Marine insurance is required in many important export trade proceedings. Omitting the terms, both parties are liable for the payment of goods. However, the subject matters. Marine insurance goes beyond contractual obligations, and there are several varied arguments necessary for buying it before dispatching the export cargo. Goods in transit need to be insured by one of the three parties: the forwarding agent, the exporter, and the importer. Also, it can be taken by anyone involved in the transit of goods. Well, now you must be thinking that where to get marine insurance. So let me tell you, the process to purchase marine insurance in India is easy. The country's geographical position allows many banks and financial institutions to provide marine insurance. And in every country there are different rules and different policy for buying insurance, marine insurance. Well, dear friends, whenever we do any business, there are some principles to follow. So the principles of marine insurance are: number one, principle of good faith. Parties demand absolute trust on the part of both the insurer and the guaranteed. Second, principle of proximate cost. Number 3, principle of insurable interest. Number 4, principle of indemnity. And number 5 is principle of contribution. And now let me tell you the features of marine insurance. Features of marine insurance are: acceptance of the offer, number 2, coverage, number 3, payment premiums, and number 4, insurable interest, number 5, contract of indemnity, number 6, claiming process, number 7, flexibility. Now I'm telling you how marine insurance works. Marine insurance best transfers the liability of the goods from the parties and intermediaries involved to the insurance company. The legal liability of the intermediaries handling the goods is limited to begin. The exporter, instead of bearing the sole responsibility of the goods, buy an insurance policy and get maritime insurance coverage for the exported goods against any possible loss or damage. Well, the carrier of the goods, be it the airline or the shipping company, may bear the cost of damages and losses to the goods while on board. However, the compensation agreed upon the mostly on a per package or per consignment basis. The coverage so provided may not be sufficient to cover the cost of the goods shipped. Therefore, exporters prefer to ship their products after getting it insured the same with an insurance company. Well, to get marine insurance and avoid insurance claims, ensure the following. Number 1, packing of goods should be done keeping in mind their safety during loading and unloading. Number 2, packing should be good enough to withstand natural hazards to the best extent possible. Well, number 3, keep in mind the possibility of clumsy handling or theft when packing goods. Types of marine insurance. Well, number 1 is freight insurance. Number 2, liability insurance. Number 3, hull insurance. Number 4, marine cargo insurance. Well, what is not covered under marine insurance? Number 1, delivery. Number 2, bad quality goods. Number 3, personal insolvency. Number 4, intentional loss. Number 5, wars and situation. These things are not covered under marine insurance. So that was all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you do so, then please do like and do subscribe for more. Do share this video with your friends. If you guys want more information about marine insurance, then let me know in the comment section. And please do let me know that what kind of videos you want to see more on my channel, and I will definitely try to make that kind of videos too. For now, thank you so much for watching me. Take care. Bye bye. I will see you in next video.